Hi everybody, this is Anthony Striglia with Striglia Enterprises. We are going to continue on our series, Method Basics series. We're going to take this status field that we continue to work on here and we're going to move it over to this grid so that we can filter on it and we can sort by it. We can even make some views based on the statuses. But we put it on the screen. We've put it on the PDF report. And now we're going to put it on the grid that shows all the sales orders. So let's jump right in. So this one's pretty simple. This should be a pretty quick video. We're going to customize this screen. We're going to create a new draft. And here's our sales order grid here. All we have to do this is add a column using the status field that we've added to the table. And we're going to do the text field, not the record ID. I'm going to put that up here next to the expression, let's see, 1, which is the customer, and the ref number, which I'm now using the record ID just for these demo videos because then there's actually a number there. Customer and ref number are actually not displayed. That's the old version. When they added these expressions, Method went ahead and did a new default view with these so that it's on 2 lines. I'll show you what I'm talking about. Sales order status. We're just going to change this to status. This is what shows up on the header of the grid. Desktop and mobile, we'll leave everything else default. We'll see how that turns out with spacing and stuff. We can adjust it if we need to. Yeah, looks good. I like it. This is what I was talking about, the expression. That's how you get these multi-line things. So we have the customer and the ref number right on top of one another. So now that we have this status field here, what can we do with that? Well, we can sort by it. We can see all the approved. You can go to a further page and see shipped. Somewhere in the middle, we're going to have some kind of different statuses, ready to ship, right? We can also continue to sort by date, and we can do a advanced filter, and we can filter by status, and we could say equals ready to ship. Now we have all the statuses that are ready to ship. Look, we have 58 sales orders that are ready to ship. So this demo account, someone should get working on shipping this stuff in this demo account. Let's see. We can also do approved. Same concept, obviously. Okay. So that's the quick demonstration of how to add a field to the grid. So now we've added this field to basically everywhere that you would want to see it. And that's it. More to come. Thank you.